going to show you how I make a really simple, tasty omelette rather than just a regular omelette. So we're going to have some fresh continental parsley in there like that. Okay, fresh continental parsley. We'll just quickly fry that. Give it a quick whiz around there. And then the next ingredient I'm going to add to make this really delicious are some olives. I'm just going to take the olives and take the seeds out. These are olives with seeds in, not cheapo ones. These ones are very salty too. To add a bit of salt from the olives. I'm going to fry up some olives there. This will make the omelette very tasty. I'm just going to fry that around a bit. Move that there. Can you see that? Okay. And we'll add the omelette. This is a 3-egg omelette. 3-egg omelette, and it's got in there about 50 mils of milk. Okay. So we're going to add that, and then the last ingredient I will add is some chervil pepper, which this stuff is basically paprika, a bit of hot paprika over there like that, and that's going to be our omelette. We'll come back in a minute when it's cooked. Okay, dirty kitchen here. Okay, so I've just turned that over. I cooked it quite slowly because it's a 3-egg omelette, and you don't need fancy pants things. It makes it really great if you can use a copper bowl because it will get a really fluffy egg. But I just beat it in a ceramic bowl. That's good enough, you know, for a tasty omelette.